Hi everyone, this is MH. Today I'm going to crochet this component that you could use to make headbands, straps for tank tops, straps for a purse or a bag, or trim around upholstery, or up and down the two sides of a zippered jacket, or a pacifier clip, or anywhere else where you need a long strap. And this is worked end to end, so you start here, you have a one row repeat over and over, so you just go ahead and when you've got your strap the length you need it, you just fasten off and you're done. So let's get started. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chain 8. Double crochet in the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So you have 2 double crochet here, and we'll have 2 double crochet at the end. Skip the next stitch, and we're going to make our puff V stitch in this stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up and pull through. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn and pull it through all 7 loops on the hook. Chain 1. Now I'm going to repeat this in the same stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert in the stitch, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull through all 7 loops. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch and I'm going to make a double crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. So double and double. So I have 2 double crochet and I have my V puff stitch and 2 double crochet. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the next stitch. Now we're going to find the space between those V stitches. There's one V stitch, there's the other. We're going to work in that chain 1 space. So make a puff V stitch, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull through all 7. Chain 1. Repeat that in the same stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. 7 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull through all 7 loops. Double crochet in the last 2 stitches. And that's how that looks. We'll just continue to repeat that row. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the next stitch. Find this chain 1 space between these 2 V stitches and make another V puff stitch. Pull through all 7 loops, chain 1. 1, 2, 3, pull through all 7 loops, double crochet in the last 2 stitches. And you can see how that starts to take shape. So just go ahead and repeat that row over and over until your strap or your belt is the correct length. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this puff V-stitch in the center of a long strip that you can use for straps or belts. To make this into a purse strap, you could just pass a ring through the bottom and then curl this over and then just sew across. Or you could form a ring with some beads and yarn or wire. And I bought this large container of beads at the dollar store for $4. So again, you would just pass that through like that. And sew it across the back. And then attach this to the purse. Or you could even use these small key rings. Pass that through, sew it across the bottom, and attach this to your purse. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns.